Here I have ULEFONE Power Armor 18 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you should go to upper bar here, and you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So just by tapping it you can switch this mode. By holding the finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add up exceptions to this mode. It could be calls, it could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can set up default duration of it, and you can display hidden notifications. Like you can only disable sound from notifications, or you can disable sound and visuals. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.